This is Nuff Said, and it's the right hand. This is A below middle C. Squish your thumb to D. Stretch to A, swap, back to A. Two on A, stretch your 5 to E, move in. 2 on A, line up. Swap your 2 to a 1, 4 on E. Thumb to A, up, hold your 5 and sneak your finger 2 over. All the way down to low A, over to G, back to A, 3 on E. Stretch your 5, and then all the way up to A and C sharp. I'll play that one more time without talking.